If you followed me for a while, you know how much I love a minimal makeup look. Today, I'm sharing a scaled-down version of my minimalist makeup collection with new vegan and cruelty-free products that can help you get your makeup done in simply 5 minutes. Step number 1 is primer. I never skip out on primer even when I don't have a lot of time because it helps prep your skin and makes your makeup last longer. The e.l.f. primer is one of my favorites because it's lightweight and creates a smooth matte base. Step 2 is to conceal and correct. For days when I want a little extra coverage, I like to add a solid base like concealer. This minimalist makeup stick from Merit Beauty, however, isn't a concealer or foundation, but they describe it as a complexion stick that has a breathable and buildable light to medium coverage. I really like the way it feels on my skin and it helps make my skin look hydrated. Step 3 is tinted moisturizer. I won't spend too much time on this because I mentioned the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue in every makeup video. It still is hands down my favorite for a natural and no makeup look. Step 4 are your brows. Let's fill in our brows and do it quickly with Merit Beauty's Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade. It helps me achieve a fuller look with my brows, and I really like how natural it looks too. I've noticed that it's very long lasting as well. I can put it on in the beginning of the day and don't have to worry about my brows until the end of the day. Step number 5 is to add a pop of color. You can add a pop of color to your face with a hint of blush. My hunt for the perfect cream-based blush stopped here at Merit Beauty's Flush Balm because it offers a touch of color, it actually conditions your skin, and it really gives off the perfect, no makeup finish. Step 6 is mascara. I like to draw attention to my eyes with a dark volumizing mascara. The Clean Lash mascara from Merit Beauty is great for an everyday lash lift. I enjoy wearing it for long days because it doesn't smudge, doesn't flake, doesn't transfer, it does not budge for the entire day, which makes it great for not only a no makeup look, but also just to not have to worry about throughout the day. Step number 7 is to set your makeup. You can set your makeup with a finishing spray and/or a powder. NYX is my go-to brand when it comes to these types of products. I have really dry skin, so I usually don't use a lot of powder, but I love how lightweight the mineral powder is, and it prevents creasing. It also comes in different colors, so it better fits my darker complexion instead of going for a translucent powder that may look a little pasty. I also have this little matte setting spray that helps lock my makeup in place, and once again, I just like how breathable and lightweight it is. Step number 8. Our last tip is to color your lips. To complement the hint of color in your cheeks, you can add an accompanying lip tint, maybe in the same color family. I really like the way that lip gloss looks lately because it just has a very natural, fresh feel to it. This tinted lip oil from Merit is sheer yet has a really colorful pigment that makes my lips feel and look healthy. And that completes my 5-minute minimalist makeup collection. Let me know in the comments what other types of minimalist makeup videos you would like to see from me. I'm going to link below my full collection along with other videos that I did, like videos on multi-purpose makeup as well as makeup for various seasons. I'll have all the products that I mentioned today linked in the description bar below, and hopefully I can see you all later. Bye!